Hola, buenas noches. Este es un video tutorial de la segunda actividad calificable de Inglés 3 del programa de Tecnología en Desarrollo de Software de la Universidad Tecnológica de Bolívar. Comencemos. My name is Jaime Berrio. I am 34 years old. I am from Manizales. I am live in Manizales. I am a student in software development. I share my weekends routines. Let's start. On my weekends, I usually make up early at 7 a.m. On Saturdays, I go to the work. When I am done, I go to the gym and work out with my girlfriend after I head home. I always had lunch with my family and after that we had taken. I come home at night, continue on my studies and something with watch movie. At the end of the day, I go to the bed. On Sunday, I head up at 8 a.m. breakfast and they go to the crunch with my girlfriend. At 11 a.m. and we meet my parents. All together go out to have lunch in the mall. At the end of the day, we go home. I organize everything for my work before bedtime and play video games to relax. And finally, I go to bed at 11 p.m. I enjoy my weekends. Thank you. Good night.